Okay, so yesterday you got to practice doing transformations of all kinds. So you did dilations, rotations, translations, and reflections. Today what we're going to do is look at dilations again, but this time these are not centered at the origin. These are not going to be centered at 0, 0. We're going to have a different center. Okay, I tried to write out the steps here for you. The steps maybe look a little confusing at first, but once I explain them, it'll get it a little bit clearer. Okay, so first of all, we're going to plot our new center. So wherever our new center is going to be, that's what we're going to plot. Then we're going to count the number of horizontal and vertical steps from the new center to the pre-image. Okay, so we're going to count how many places it move up, down, left, and right, going from that new center point to the pre-image. Then whatever that moved, that's what I'm going to multiply the scale factor by. Okay, then we can count and plot our new points. So we're going to walk through this process, and then I think this will make a lot more sense. So let's start here. First thing we need to do is plot our new center. So in this figure, we're going to dilate by 3 using the center 1, 0. So the center 1, 0 is right there. I'm also going to go ahead and label my 3 points here. I'm just going to call them A, B, and C, just to make it a little easier. All right, so let's look at A first. I look at A first. I'm trying to count from my new center here to A. I'm trying to figure out how many places we go up, down, left, and right. So it goes 1, 2, 3 to the left, and 2 up. So left, 3, and up 2. Okay, well my dilation factor is 3, so this is what I have to multiply by 3. So really, I'm going to move left 9 and up 6. So from my new point, or so from my new center, I'm going to go left 9 and up 6. This will be my new A prime. Okay, we're going to do the same thing for B. Let's look at B. We look at B from that new center. B is 2 to the left and up 5. So left 2, up 5. Okay, so again, multiply those by 3. My scale factor is 3. So I really need to go to the left 6 and up 15. So I count left 6 from that new center. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13, 15. This is my new B prime. Alright, now let's look at C. Alright, so C, from my new origin, from my new center, I'm sorry, going to the left 1 and up 2. So multiply by 3. Multiply by 3, so I'm going to go to the left 3. 1, 2, 3, and up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So right here is my C prime. So my new triangle lies right here. You can kind of verify and think about whether that makes sense or not too, because look at AC, the original AC, that has a unit of 2. Well, if my scale factor is 3 up here, so my scale factor is 3, then this here should be twice as long. Or, sorry, 3 times as long. So that should be a total of 6 units, which it is. All right. Let's try another one. This next time, I'm not going to write out the times 3 or whatever our scale factor is, but I wanted to visualize what I was doing for each of those and where the instructions kind of were built from. All right, so the first thing we need to do is plot our center. So my center is at -2, 1. Here's my new center. I'm going to go ahead and name my points A, B, and C. Again, just to make life a little easier on us. Okay, so let's look at point A. Let's look at point A. So from my new center, A is 1, 2, 3 to the left and up 1. So left 3, up 1. Multiply each of those by a half. So I really need to go to the left 1 1/2 and up a half. So right here is A prime. So remember, we're traveling from our center. Okay, now point B. Point B, from our new center, we are 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right and up 1. So right 4, up 1. So again, multiply by a half. That means I really need to go to the right 2 and up a half. There's B prime. Okay, finally, let's look at C. So from the new point, our new center, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right and down 4. Right 6, down 4. Again, multiply by a half. So we need to go to the right 3 and down 2. So from my new center, I'm going to the right 3. 1, 2, 3, and down 2. Here is C prime. So again, here is my new triangle. I have 2 more examples I'd like to work through with you. Here's my next one. Dilate by 2 using the center 1, 0. So my center is at 1, 0. Right here, so not even inside the figure this time. All right, so I'm going to name my points A, B, and C. Okay, so point A. From the center to A, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the left, and 4 up. Okay, so if I multiply those by 2, I really need to travel 12 to the left and up 8. So way up here is going to be A prime. Okay, let's take a look at B. Okay, B is going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right. Right 5, and it's not moving up or down, so I don't really need to write 0. And you know what happens when we multiply by 0. So right 5, so my scale factor is 2, so I gotta multiply by 2, so I really need to go to right 10. I think I just went off my graph there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 8, 9. Oops, I guess I went off my graph here. We'll just kind of go with that. So there's my B prime. All right, so let's do C. Do C. So C from that point is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So went to the right 4 and down 5. Oh, okay, let me go back to B. I didn't write it wrong. I counted to the right to the left. You know, that whole right and left thing, that directional thing is kind of bad for me. All right, so instead of going to the, I should have gone to the left 5 here. All right, so over here on point B, okay, to the left 5, that means I really need to go to the left 10. I need something with right there, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go, this looks a little bit better. It's bothering me why that triangle is going to look the same. All right, now let's go back to C. So right there is my new B prime. Let's try C again. All right, so with C, we have to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So right 4 and down 5. We counted, right? Let me double check. 2, 3, 4, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Okay, so multiply those by 2. We need to move to the right 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and down 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there's C prime. Sorry about that, guys. All right. So here is my new triangle. All right, last one. Last one. So dilate by a half using the center of 3, negative 2. So the center is 3, negative 2. Right here is my new center. Okay, so again, I'm going to label A, B, and C. Okay, so let's start with A. A, from that center is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up 2. So left 7, up 2. Multiply by half, that means I need to go 3 and a half. 1, 2, 3 and a half, and up 1. Here's my new A. All right, let's look at B. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. So left 5 and up 5. So 2.5 both ways, right? So 1, 2.5, and 1, 2.5. Right here is going to be B prime. Okay, then let's finally do C. So from my new center, we have to go left 1, and then up 1, 2, 3, 4. So half and half, so we need a half, and then half of 4 is 2, so we go 1, 2. There's my new C prime. There we go. So again, the figures do look similar, right? It's just shrunken down or an enlargement of the original figure. All right, so I have 8 of these for you to practice. Make sure you spend some time today, hopefully you did this in the beginning, going through your flashcards again, memorizing. Tomorrow we're going to look at putting compositions together, meaning multiple dilations together, and all the other transformations as well. Hopefully then we will review Monday, task Tuesday. That is our plan at this point.